What's up? How are going on, my beautiful peeps? Big up on yourself, whether in the yard or abroad, you see, pray. Say a flow go round, you see. A flow go round, catch the flow, mash me up. Flow no stop, make my nose around, you see. That's why I just tie this around me. Around me nose, you see it, and around my mouth, so if me even cough, me no spread the flow, you know them way there? Because I not too like the mask, so me use a kerchief. I make my mask yardman style though. But peeps, me I tell you, it don't look good. From last week, from around Wednesday. Yeah man, from last week around Wednesday, I get a call to go do some cooking at the riverside. I'm gonna do the cooking. Before I go do the cooking still, I wake up Wednesday morning, feel sick. But anyway, fully active, so I say, yeah man, I go fight out that man. So I start some work on my building, me and my father. I'm both in the 8:30, somebody call say them want a river cooking because them a leave, go back to England the same Wednesday. And them would mind them could have grill them some chicken and give them some roast food. So I say, yeah man, no problem. So you don't know, I leave the site Wednesday. And I just got the riverside and I go sort out them thing and make them get it, you know what I mean? But I did cook Wednesday. I don't know if the guests who I cook for, if him they see the energy or what, but I feel mash up, but I did do the cooking same way. Because when I come home Wednesday, after the cooking, fresh up everything, and go bed, you see Thursday morning, couldn't make no move. Yeah man, when I wake up Thursday morning, means like, yo, what is? I start cough, I feel weak. Well, I'm a giant, them at me, I say, no man, this don't look good man. Father come to work Thursday. Him alone work, could work. Yeah man, go hospital and spend a 1 day in there and give me some jeep and some whole heap of ray, you know what I mean? So you know, Thursday my father alone work, you see it. Friday now, 14 dumpling, that my brother. Him did figure out airport cause I say I'm gonna link up my mother, you see it, so. In the Bahamas, you know, so my brother got airport Friday. And we are driving going airport, mash up. Coming over, mash up. Just feeling weak. But me keep on fight, you see it. But me I tell us, yo, peeps, flow, mash be done for couple days. Well, I the best of me this, and I still know me this. You see, pray. So notice how me attack, flow, take on my voice. Flow take around 50 pounds. Tick boy, get maga, look ya. Look ya. Maga out. Yeah, run water. Nose around water. I don't know where that flow you come from. But I just say, I couldn't know. what go on, you see it? That's how I want to see. I'm not upload no video from what day called the flu of me aware. And you see when I'm sick, I don't really like talk, you see, pre. So that's why I don't really come out from a long time. And I couldn't know say I'm sick cause I will leave my subscriber them and family and friends. Everybody go call and when I chatting on the phone, you see, pre. Yeah, meaning why I say I'm not chatting because I feel sick. Although I know no fun will call or I go call, I go wish the best for me. But I just couldn't take the whole heap of talking on the phone. So I just avoid the phone, you see, pray. So today now I just say I come out and just I couldn't know what go on. I go upload the video what I do Wednesday. Yeah. The last video that I do before I sick out, you see, pray. But now I take time, I come on back still. Although I'm gone. Around 50 pounds gone. Maga man like me lose 50 pounds. But everything good otherwise. They are going to take me my medication them and everything as he pray. So as soon as everything up back and running, I'm gonna make you know fully 100 what go on as he pray. Father, if you all forward an idea, I have to come do some work. I don't know if I'm going forward. If I'm forward, I'm going to have to go make somebody work with him. Because I mash up. But otherwise, everything good, you see, pray. Just big up on yourself. I'm out here going to do the right thing, you see it? Yeah, man, just know so I'm fully active, same way down. But me I tell us, say, yo, the flu here, and I know the man, you know, I catch you. I don't even want my enemy to catch you. So I just hit that piece, I just say I make you know what go on, why I want to see me upload no video. I not you see it. So just stay tuned and watch the video when I go do Wednesday. And then after that, I didn't do no more video. Mash up. Today are the best of me. And as what you see, this still not look like are the best of me done. So just big up on yourself, you see it. Yeah man, peace and love. I'm out. What's up, my beautiful peeps? Nice and lovely dear Jamaica, you know what I mean? So I do up a yard and I work from my house in the morning here and I get a text that a subscriber tell a friend. That is what I like, you know. I like when my subscriber them tell a friend for tell a friend. So when you hear me always I say tell a friend for tell a friend, that's what I mean, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so you remember the couple that I cooked for that was staying at Moon Palace? Yeah man, well they have a friend that's staying at Moon Palace and him will leave and go back up today. Yeah, so him contact me and say him need some jerk chicken on the riverside, yardman style, because him friend them was say the chicken was so nice and him really want to try it out because him is a fans of jerk chicken. You know them way there? So it now me up on way, I go pick him up And I leave Jamaica today, so I have to work off for a time. Yeah, I leave the hotel 1 o'clock to go back to England today, you know what I mean? So my schedule is me if you done cook and drop him off back by 11:30. Yeah, and see time I know. The palm way I go pick him up. So that at the time, so let's see if we can beat the time. Although him say I make a couple of that little run around, but let's see what time I drop him off back at the hotel, you know what I mean? But I know I don't mind cooking, I go take up time, because you know I grill chicken, so that need at least 40 minutes, you know what I mean? Yeah man, and if you fire well, I mean even need it so much, you know what I mean? Yeah man, because I miss a grill food. Anything I want to grill, Sunrise Boss can grill it. So I'm going to pick him up here now and just go up on the riverside and get fully active. So do the right thing, subscribe to the channel, and remember, tell a friend, tell a friend. That's the thing, the man, just go and spread the thing, you know what I mean? Yeah man, really appreciate that, just go and spread the good news. Yeah man, Sunrise Boss, riverside cooking, whether day or night. Yeah man, whether day or night, my peeps, me up for the cooking. Whether rain or sunshine, me up for the cooking. So do the right thing, subscribe to the channel. Let me drive in the hotel gate, make you see what I go. And I don't see that in the last video, but I still show you who just go watch because of this video. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so just do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Things then in the car, you can hear them shake up all the pot and all of them things there. Yeah man, take care of me time, you know. Moon Palace, here I come. Moon Palace. Big old tall gate open. You know, remember, I never see all hotel with gate. Moon Palace have them big old long gates, sir. But I never remember see hotel with gate. Them have a little thing in the road. Moon Palace have a gate. And so I drive go straight up to the lobby now and pick up the person and head to the river, my peeps. Yeah man, them road when I drive on still have all heap of little bumpy in the car, they don't want you to speed. Yeah man, the last part then I saw you go up and go up there and you go around and then the lobby is right here and then I'm gonna make me pick up. And cool enough it's sound good. How much a bag? Which a bag? Yeah. Three, yeah man, just want one chicken more. Grill that can grill. Wash them off by the river. Give them a final wash off, you know. Season time I go on here now. Season, we have a season up here now with some Jamaican jerk season. Yard man style, and when I done I go over the bush and get some pepper elder. They have a nice flavor.
Yeah, look, this is all the things that I use today. Let them know the stuff that's here, boss.
Yeah man, so you don't know one Sunrise Boss Jamaica Sunrise TV as a see t-shirt. Yeah man, and me I hear about Jamaica do all the river cooking them, whether day or night, whether rain or fall or sun hot, and me do it man. So you don't know right now we have some grilled chicken And we have some roast. We are going to roast this. This is sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Yes, so we are going to roast that sweet potato and we are going to grill some chicken. So we just go through with the yardman seasoning. Yeah, man, jerk seasoning.
Jerk seasoning.
Yeah, you know, as you look.
For a pimento.
Yeah, it's a pimento seed that you see drop out. So you know, so that means it's the good stuff. Yeah, man.
You see me, yeah? I hate biting into the pimento. Like, I hate biting it.
Yeah, man. And you don't know, you just do all this. Trying to stab it up. While you do that now, the seasoning you put on it, I go in the meat.
Seep into the...
Yeah, and also when it's a grill, that fire can penetrate through it, so it grill more faster.
Okay.
And it when we say finish grill, it's gonna finish because it's soak. Yeah, it's gonna soak faster when you stab it. Don't stab your finger, you know. Yeah, man. Just stab the breast, the chicken breast and the chicken hip. Yeah, them call this. They say chicken breast and leg and thigh.
Man said the hip, you know.
Yeah, and some say hip. Yes.
That's the first time I ever heard that someone call it a hip.
See?
But yeah, you lot taking what you say, you know. This is a top chef. Top chef is out here, you know.
Yeah, man, fully active, man.
Fully active.
You have to season the two side of the chicken, and if you don't go season one side, you're wrong. Season the two side.
Who would ever season just one side? They're mad.
Yeah, man. See, and rub it in. Yeah, man, and you have some, the orange season there now. I give it the color.
Yeah.
You have to see the difference. You see, it just look natural now. When I throw on the orange season on it, you have to see it. I throw on this on it now.
What's the orange seasoning?
Well, to be honest, I don't remember the name. Now I tell you, I don't remember the name.
Colorful, look at that.
Yeah, man, see it? When I go say now, I rub it on the chicken. Yeah, you change the color and make the chicken have a pretty color. It's like how back home you use paprika.
Yeah, paprika. Yeah, yeah.
If we get the chicken red and pretty, well, like this we use. They call it egg powder. I don't remember what they call it.
Egg powder?
Yeah, this. I don't remember what they call it. But look at it now, see? Seasoned to the bone. Ready to go up on the grill. Yeah, man. As soon as the grill catch up,
yeah, the fire coming.
yeah, man. Chicken will go up on it. Then I done season up and ready. We grill and then go in a belly, fully active.
Come on.
Ready, I know. So just some, in Jamaica we call it scallion.
Yeah, we call that spring onion.
Oh, yeah, man, we call it scallion.
Same thing.
Yeah, man. So I put on all the chicken on this. Make it taste nice. Chicken
Already.
yes, right.
You smell it already, you know. So good.
Yeah, man, you can smell it already, fully active.
No, I need it, Sean.
Yes, right.
And you know your boy loves to eat food, innit? I'm always out here eating, so you don't have to link up with the Sunrise Boss. Top chef. Yeah?
Yeah.
Can't wait to yum my food, you know. You're hungry, boy. Outside, bro, look. I come from London to Jamaica to link Sunrise Boss. His food's nice, you know. Yeah? I ain't even tasted it myself, but I'm telling you, his food is nice. You need to check out his channel as well. Fully active.
Yeah, man. Fully active. And as you see, peeps, him have a GoPro, you know, so that means him could have a channel or something somewhere, you know. So we say you want to tell them about where they can find you, what really go on.
Yeah, you can find me on my YouTube channel. It's Gyley Noir. That's Gyley space Noir, Noir. I do travel vlogs. I'm in my homeland in Jamaica. You know how to link up with the Sunrise Boss.
Fully active.
Fully active. Look, the food food soon forward. Yeah. If you can smell the aroma, the fragrances right now, I can't wait to eat this, you know.
Yeah, I see. Yeah,
I
man.
can't wait. I love my food, bro. That's what I'm saying. White River, we're outside.
Yeah, man,
Come
fully
on.
active, man. Yeah, peeps. So we just have a chicken and up on the grill and go and do him thing. You know what thing set? Yeah, man, fully active, man. We're outside. Chicken them a grill, looking good. But remember, me tell you earlier on, say time against me. So you know what I do? Because the jerk pan a move a little slow. Why? Because the chicken and the tough and I still season them, you see pre. So what I'm doing now, I catch up a next fire down here. So as soon as this catch up, we just going to take off the grill off of that and put over the higher fire and make the chicken them can done more faster. You see pre? Yeah man, that me I deal with, man, but chicken them active, man. White River settings. Man, fully active, man. Sunrise Boss production. Yeah, boss, I pull out the chicken now.
Yeah, got the care package, bro. Yeah, you see it there?
See it there? I remember a sweet potato I did it too, you know.
Yeah, we need to try the chicken right now, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so Jiley here, hold tight Sunrise Boss, about to taste test the food, yeah? Chicken, jerk chicken. Look at the nice big piece. Cooked throughout. You saw how it was tough, now look at it, yeah?
Soft and nice.
Ten out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Gonna
I
lead.
can't lie, it's one of the best jerk chicken I've had here in this trip so far.
Yeah, and big woman level.
Nah,
Meaning it could have even taste even nicer. True, you catch me off guard. Me not go grab certain good season.
For true.
For true.
But I caught you off guard.
Yeah,
And
man.
it could have been better.
And it could be better.
For real.
For real.
I don't know this. I
Yeah,
don't even know
man.
this could get better, you know?
Well, me talk the truth, you know. It's good, you know, because anything me deal with, good, you know. But true, you catch me off guard, me could run for get certain season. But peeps, you still have to full jar it, man.
For real, out of 10, yeah?
Yeah, man.
I give it a 9. Because even he said it could have been better. Yeah? So we give it a 9 out of 10.
Yeah, man.
But what I'm going to say to you lot, like the video if you like the video. share the video if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't done already. It's been your boy Jiley Noah with Sunrise Boss. Oh, yeah, soak it up in that, yeah?
Yeah, man, and taste it different now with the sauce.
With the sauce, let's go.
Yeah, man.
I don't know what piece to attack first. You know? Alright, let's go for this bit. Fully active.
In a real life.
Fully active. This is banging, you know. This is what you call breakfast for champions, you know. First thing in the morning. I can't complain if I eat this every day. But my people, them, love for watching. Keep on watching. Shout out Sunrise Boss. Check out his content. Check out his channel as well. It's been your boy Jiley Noah. Peace and much bulletproof love. Au revoir. What my people, them?
Yeah,
It's
man.
your boy Jiley Noah, straight from London. Come to link Sunrise Boss. Leaving with the care package right now.
Yeah, man.
The food too good, bro. Food's fully active.
In a real life,
In
peeps.
a real life.
Yeah, man, so right now, just left the things them down there, and soon go back to them, but remember from morning, I tell you, so we work with time, so I'm going to drop him off here now, because time are the master, so that we work with. So just do remember, to subscribe to the boss channel, the Zipri. Yeah, man, link I go there in the description, also you see it on the screen right now, so just do the right thing. Fully active, reach on the road.
Alright, look, see?
Subscriber.
JP Pun TV.
Big up,
Big
big
up.
up.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
See, scream out London. Tell him again.
Come on, that's it.
Blessings. Fully,
Fully
active.
active.
Yeah, man.
See? But yeah, bro.
That's good, man. Making them links.
Yeah, for real, for true.
Yeah, man.
So when I come back next year, link up again. You just,
Is that how the house going?
hmm?
Our Sunrise Boss, how the house is going.
Yeah, you said the house is going good, you know.
Yeah, well, make them links.
But yeah, man. But yeah, let me shout you then, bro.
Yeah, alright then.
Alright, see.
Yes, I big up Sunrise.
Yeah, me John, fully active. Yeah, man.
See.
Yeah, we made it. Back to the hotel. So, the experience, is everything good?
Everything good, everything lit,
Yeah,
fully
man.
active. I'm going back to London, full up with good food. You know what I mean? Had
Alright.
to be done. Had to link up with Sunrise before me leave.
Can't stay too long,
Come
but
on, man.
you know things
Respect,
set. Yeah, man.
Peace and love.
You know,
Everyone
yeah.
watches content, continue to support him. Watch my content if you can.
Tell them
Support
where
your
to
boy.
find you again.
Find me again on Jiley Noah. That is GYLEY space NOIR. A
Alright.
lot of travel content, travel vlogs and vlogs. You don't want to miss this thing, man. Come on, we're fully active, bro. Yeah?
Alright,
Peace
yeah,
and
man.
love. Much respect.
Yeah, man. Safe
Shout
flight
out all
back
the-
home, man. You know what I
Thank you,
mean?
my G, man.
Yeah, man. Fully
I'll go
active.
back to cold London now, man.
I mean, I love the cold.
Nah, I'm gonna miss this hot weather, bro. I'm coming back, though.
Yeah, man.
But this is the homeland.
For real, for real.
But look, got the care package, got the jerk chicken, roast sweet potato. Come on, man. I love
Alright.
my G.
Fully active.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Serious.
Bless. Yeah.
Respect, yeah?
Yeah, man. Active. Bless. Yeah, man. See, then I'll let off the general. Moon Palace. You know what the thing go. I do I'm back from my work now. You know what the thing go.